Welcome to Quivora Quiz. Quiz time! Let's play. How to play. There are 10 questions. Choose the correct answer. You'll have 10 seconds for each question. Let's have fun! Round 1, easy mode. Question number 1. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A. Tiger. B. Elephant. C. Lion. D. Leopard. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. Lion. Question number 2. Which animal has a very long trunk? A. Rhino. B. Hippo. C. Giraffe. D. Elephant. Your time starts now. The correct answer is D. Elephant. Question number 3. Which bird cannot fly? A. Eagle. B. Sparrow. C. Penguin. D. Parrot. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. Penguin. Question number 4. Which animal gives us wool? A. Goat. B. Cow. C. Horse. D. Sheep. Your time starts now. The correct answer is D. Sheep. Question number 5. Which animal is famous for black and white stripes? A. Horse. B. Tiger. C. Zebra. D. Deer. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. Zebra. Round 2, hard mode. Welcome to hard mode. Let's see how much you really know about animals. Question number 6. Which is the fastest land animal? A. Cheetah. B. Leopard. C. Horse. D. Lion. Your time starts now. The correct answer is A. Cheetah. Question number 7. Which mammal can truly fly? A. Flying squirrel. B. Bat. C. Eagle. D. Flying fox. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Bat. Question number 8. Which animal has the longest tongue? A. Anteater. B. Snake. C. Giraffe. D. Camel. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. Giraffe. Question number 9. Which animal can survive for weeks without drinking water? A. Elephant. B. Horse. C. Camel. D. Buffalo. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. Camel. Question number 10. Which marine animal has 3 hearts? A. Dolphin. B. Shark. C. Whale. D. octopus. Your time starts now. The correct answer is D, octopus. Thanks for playing. Comment your score below. If you enjoyed this quiz, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more exciting quizzes. See you in the next challenge. Bye!